일몰 때가 되니 어느새 해변은 차량으로 가득 찬다. 테이블 비치에 석양을 즐기러 온 이들이다.
Cable Beach. Signing off. Yeah, this is my family and then my cousin.
yeah.
Cousin, yeah, come up to visit my cousin.
Where?
So we're living here in Broome,
Yeah.
and these guys came from Victoria. People say that over in Santorini, in a place called Ia, is the most wonderful sunset in the world. But I don't think you can beat the Broome sunset. Every night it's beautiful, and after the sun goes down, the colours in the clouds, it's just really beautiful. What do you think, Steve?
I'd have to agree with that. Yeah, you get the beautiful blues, purpley type colours coming through. Yeah.
Great.